Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you a story on real life. Yes, the story about the wrestling sisters. I am sure you must have watched the movie also, Dangal, which was based on Fogart sisters. So, let's read the story. There are 6 Fogart sisters who hail from a small village named Bilali in Haryana. They are breaking down the gender stereotypes across the country. Geeta, Babita, Ritu, Vinesh, Priyanka and Sangeeta. As the elder sister, Geeta set an example to follow. She became the first female wrestler who won the Commonwealth Game gold medal in 2010 and bronze medal in 2012 World Championship when she qualified for the Olympics. Her success was emulated by her other sisters, Babita Kumari winning the silver at the 2010 Commonwealth Game and gold in 2014. Whereas the other Fogart sisters, Vignesh Fogart also won gold medal. Geeta won all but one of her 7 bouts at the Women's Wrestling World Cup. Finishes second. Babita bagged a silver medal in 551 kg freestyle in 2010 Commonwealth Game. It was followed by a bronze in World Wrestling Championship. However, this was not enough to satisfy the hunger for medals. Her hard work was paid off in 2014 when she won the gold medal in the 55 kg category at Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Babita was the third and final entry of India in women's wrestling for Rio Olympics in 2016 and represented the nation at such a high level with her cousin Vignesh Fogart. Vignesh Fogart is an adopted daughter of Mahavir Singh Fogart. Mahavir adopted Vignesh and Priyanka after his father's death. Vignesh also qualified for the 2016 Olympic in Rio. Vignesh has her share of disappointment during Rio Olympics qualified period. The 21-year-old was slated to win a medal, but she suffered a knee injury. Meanwhile, the 3 young siblings have been on the medal-winning spare at the junior wrestling event, such an Asian World Cup Championship for cadets. So, you must have seen the movie also about the Fogart sister. How quick and how determination and how hard-working they were, and they were very good at wrestling. So the story is based on their lives, children. That how many medals they have won. They have represented India in Rio, in Olympics, in Commonwealth. So with all hard work and with determination, we can achieve whatever we want in life, right? You must have seen that they used to get up so early in the morning. They used to go for their daily exercise, and they also used to follow a proper diet to stay fit and healthy, and then a regular practice of their wrestlings. It was getting harder day by day, but the girls were never giving up, right? That is what we have to do in life, children. That if you want to achieve anything in life, you need to be very determined about it. That no matter whatever problems comes in life, whatever the situation is in life, how hard it is to get, the desired, to achieve the desired goal, you need to keep on working. Hard work, patience, that is all what we need if we want to achieve something in life. And the Fogart sisters are a very good example of that, children. I know you have loved the movie, and I am sure you will love the story too. And now whenever you look forward to do something in life, you will have a determination set that I will never give up, right? So I want you guys, children, to read the story and then follow how the Fogart sisters are following their determination and their dreams. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.